Hello YouTube. Here's a quick item that I bought on eBay. Oh, here's the V20 I ordered online. So here, let's see. I ordered the LG V20 online. I bought it. I bought it on auction, so for $129. So let's see if it's a good deal or not. Try to open this two hands. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I try not to. I try to hide my address. So here it is. Oh, what the hell? At least it has some cushioning. Alright. Oh, here it is. Let's see. It has some scratches, but it's okay. I probably just use this to play games, so I don't really care about. Yeah. Alright, let's see. See how it powers on. Yeah, it powers on. Is it LG V20? Oh, the AT&T version. Good condition. Doesn't have a slip in there. I bought it from CIT Electronics, 520S, 850 East, STE in Utah. That's the address of where I bought it from. The company is CIT Electronics. I bought it used on auction for $129. So yeah. Hope I didn't show my address. So here we go. How is this? Oh, okay. Is it good enough condition? Let's see. Can't really tell on camera, but it's on already. Let's see. Let me sign into my Chrome account. The V20 screen is beautiful, but it needs a little bit of cleaning. There are scratches, but it's okay. For the price, I'm just gonna use it to play games. $129 is good enough for me. So I just recently bought a new battery. So far so good. So let me clean it up and I'll do maybe a review about this. Just unboxing. So just let you guys know. Okay. A real man be one he chooses out.